Hi, welcome to our channel. On today's video, I'll show you how you can change Gmail mobile number. Okay, so let's get started. First, sign into your Gmail account. Go to gmail.com and click on the sign in option and log in. So once you logged on, you'll see something like this. So this is the inbox, right? So in order to change your mobile number, first go through your account icon on the top right corner, as you can see, right? So this is my account and I'll click on Google account. So just click on that. On a new tab, you'll see a lots of setting options. So on the left side, there is second option, which is called personal info. Click on that. All right. So if you scroll a little bit, you can see my primary email, my phone number as well, right? So if I clicked on that, so it's verified, right? So if I'm trying to change that, again, I will click here. All right. And then I'll click on this three dot option and you can see the edit option, right? Or I can just simply remove that as well. So in order to edit means in order to change your number, just click on edit. So they will ask you for sign in once again because it's account level setting, right? So I'll just hit my password again. All right. So once I signed in, then I would be able to change. So I will click edit again. All right. So if I click update number, then I can change the number, right? So I can change, I can delete and I can update. Then I will select and the settings will apply. So this is how you can change your phone number on Gmail. Okay. So go to account settings from the top right corner and then go to personal info and then change your number. Thank you so much for watching.